This is the biggest bird here, okay? And she has conquered the bird. I don't know how. But look, this is, back up, back up. This is a bird that has the sign. I crush jewelry. Handle me at your own risk. And he's going to pretty much eat Christine. He's trying to go up. Look how long that tail is. How long that, oh wow, okay.
Hello.
How are you doing? Hello? Hi. Hi. No, 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 no. What?
I don't know what to do.
It doesn't hurt?
No.
Oh, then you're fine.
Okay, go back on my arm.
He's just trying to bite you. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it weighs like 30 pounds.
So go bring him back. The struggle of the midget. Midget versus bird. Here. I'll be honest, I'm kind of scared. I'm not going to help you. We just put him back. Turn. Lift. Okay, he's just... Yeah, we need your assistance. We need professional. Okay, Christina's been saved. Thank you. Are you okay?